Take a look at this new revolutionary tool for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. It's the Hub Remover by Pinell Tools. It's basically a mini lathe that fits into a standard drill and can remove any glued PVC fitting with zero damage to the existing pipe. Just cut the fitting to the edge of the existing pipe. Spray a little bit of lubricant on the pipe and the hub remover, and insert it into the fitting. Look how easily it removes the fitting. Just quickly sand off any excess glue and you are ready to add a new fitting. You have now taken a job that would normally take hours to repair and completed it in just minutes, with no damage to your wall. The hub remover comes in every size you need from 1/2 inch up to 4 inches. Make sure you check out the hub remover at pinelltools.com and start saving time and money on your next job.